Hi guys, welcome back to the Mini Me and Mine YouTube channel. Today's topic is a very important topic, which is how to burp your baby. Burping your baby after every feed and when your baby completes 6 months and you start your solids to your baby, it might be from Cerelac to rice or ragi, anything it might be after it completes 6 months. After its solid feed, it's very important to burp your baby. Okay, many of them might be having a few questions like, is it so important to burp my baby after every feed? No, but it's important to burp the baby after every feed because while you're feeding your baby also intakes air bubbles with the milk, so it forms a kind of discomfort in a baby's body. So when you burp the baby after the feed, burping is nothing but bringing out the air bubbles which it has intaken during the feed. That's it. After feeding, if you feel your baby is a bit uncomfortable or anything it might be, try to burp your baby and watch the difference. It brings a lot of difference. One more thing. When to burp my baby? Yes, after every feed and when you're changing the sides. For example, feed, burp, change the side, feed and burp. This is the method to be followed during the feeding to burp the baby. It is very important to burp the baby when you are changing the sides to feed your baby. One main question, how to burp my baby? Yes. One common way to burp your baby is yes, this is the most common way to burp your baby after the feeding. And two more ways, please go check it out and come. Hi Alma. Hi Sihi. Hi family. Yes, these are the most common and easy ways to burp a baby. Yes, you might be thinking, why after a solid feed? It is important not only after a milk feed but also after solid. You might have seen the babies spitting out food after they have intaken it. This method of burping helps the babies not to spit out the food after having it. That's all in today's topic. If you feel the video is useful, please do share to your loved ones. Please do like, comment, and also do comment if you have any clarification or if you have any doubts still after you have watched the video. I would love to reply and clarify your doubts. Please support us. Thank you. Bye-bye. Meet you all soon with another important topic. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.